Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about should a small business consider using RPA. I am Abhinav Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant Trainer at School of RPA. And if you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and get notified about our upcoming videos. Small businesses rely on efficient workflows and effective systems throughout all aspects of operation. Organizations that fail to adapt to transformation and trends risk falling behind the competition, even being forced out of the market. Robotic process automation is a powerful way to transform daily operations into more efficient systems that allow for increased productivity. Instead of wasting resources to perform repetitive tasks, RPA allows you to get those things taken care of much faster and easier so your team can focus on more important tasks. Now let's look at challenges and opportunities for small businesses. Small businesses deal with several challenges because of limited resources and budgets that demand flexibility. However, because small businesses are agile, they can quickly and easily adopt new technologies to take advantage of the latest strategies. Large enterprises are generally burdened with complexity and red tape, but small businesses can embrace change by making use of RP and other new technologies. This advantage empowers them with a competitive advantage and a better shot at competing against bigger businesses. What is RPA for small business? Well, RPA is the field of business process automation that aims to improve business processes while reducing operational expenses through the use of automation. As digital transformation plays ever increasing role in BPA, RPA is focused on automating specific repetitive tasks within software environments. Multiple industries sectors are already successfully using RPA, including data entry, order processing, payroll processing, website scraping, call center operations, and email processing. Whether it's importing data, sending emails, or making decisions based on existing data, automation works well with existing processes that are rule-based, manual, and repetitive. There are some challenges to overcome in certain contexts. For instance, automated changeable processes methods or carrying out regular system alterations can be hard. Though RPA can be useful in a variety of scenarios, existing systems with high volumes and long-term architecture are likely to get the most benefit. Let's look at some of the benefits of RPA for small businesses. Small organizations can gain a lot by implementing RPA and getting rid of inefficient workplace practices. By analyzing and modeling existing processes, you have an opportunity to monitor information flows and make improvement where necessary. This is beneficial in a number of ways because regular and automation helps you identify existing problems, improve efficiency in your workflows, and earn greater return on investment. RPA installations generally require no changes to your current business system, especially when you are using service model. Robotic process automation as a service is a cloud-based subscription solution that uses artificial intelligence and other advanced technology to help automate your highly repetitive but important tasks over the internet. There are challenges associated with service reliability, initial investment cost, and data security. But RP is a wonderful way to automate tasks and basic tasks and free up staff and resources for innovation. When you leave automated tasks to AI, you are providing your people with opportunity to perform more satisfying, challenging, and complex work. RP software is able to mimic a variety of basic repetitive tasks that your human staff is currently doing. Relying on RPA to handle this for you allows your staff to become more creative. This leads to a happier and more productive team and allows you to leverage the inherent human strengths of your employees. When you free people from repetitive tasks and boring data entry, they have more time and energy available to use their emotional intelligence and complex reasoning abilities. Now, RP helps small business owners work with capital management by automatically coming through transactions and creating cash flow statements every day or every week to ensure that company is always aware about the current financial position. Transitions Transition to RP is one of the simplest first steps to going digital for many small businesses. For users, RP is usually a graphic user interface based drag and drop toolkit that connects applications and tasks without any kind of programming at all. RP implementation is easy to deploy, affordable, and scalable. You can scale RP not just across departments but across your businesses. Once you bring in RP solution, you can clearly use it to automate different parts of your workflow across teams at a pace you are comfortable with. The majority of the RP solutions also offer a variety of integrations and are compatible with several tasks. Out of the box support for most solutions available, which makes life easier, simpler for small business owners. Several businesses and industry sectors are already benefiting from RP implementation. For simple tasks such as data entry and order processing in the retail industry and claims administration in healthcare industry. When a customer places an order on an e-commerce site, the information needs to move the dispatch center to ensure the order is correctly picked and delivered. Humans are capable of performing the task. However, manual errors and waste of valuable human resources are always an issue. You could use the human resources for more complex tasks. RPA is one of the reasons why Amazon and other large online retailers have been able to keep their operation costs down over the years. Another example is purchase control. Now, purchase control is well suited for businesses that are looking to explore RPA. Purchase control platform addresses RPA procurement and accounts payable process and is quick and easy for small businesses to deploy. As a web-based application, there are no need to worry about needing an IT team to handle on-premise hardware and software. For instance, when someone requests items on a particular requisition, it automatically goes through approval workflow we have set up, preventing the delays associated with paper and people having to manually deliver it to someone's desk. Once approved, it automatically converts to purchase order, which automatically goes to vendor for fulfillment. Now, once the vendor ships the order, you get the tracking information you need. Then, receiving marks what they have gotten, all the items. The invoice is matched up with a purchase order and good receipt automatically to check for errors. Then the invoice goes into your accounting software where it can be paid without risk to cash flow because everything has been validated. Investing in RPA as a SaaS enables you to differentiate between process, combine new automation practices, and take advantage of existing tools and experts without additional investments. As a result, you will end up with an increased capability, which in turn improves performance and allows you to adapt over time your business evolves. You will have a better support by adopting RPA as a SaaS, and you will get greater control and flexibility as how your business grows.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for our free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.